I'm not lying, but there's literally another train. I hope I can catch all of it, but it's right there. And it's like the third one in this like hour. And it's crazy, man. Like, here, so as soon as it starts, I'll, resume. I don't know if you heard about resume. Now, here it is. My ears! It's a tanker! Those things are cool. Okay. I'm not complaining. I am not going to be able to catch all the trains. But, I hope you know, it's going pretty slow, actually. It sucks I can't capture all of it. But, I'll upload more train videos, because I'm so cool. But, I guess, bye. Unless if the video doesn't automatically stop, then bye.